All right. Systems of two equations, checking solutions. Checking solutions. What is a system of equations? A system of equations is just a group of equations with the same variable. It's just a group. You can have more than two, but we're just going to deal with two equations. So we're going to have groups of two equations, and eventually we're going to figure out how to solve them. So right now we're going to be dealing with linear equations. So a system of linear equations. So a system of linear equations is a group of equations that represent lines in the coordinate plane. So the solutions to a system of linear equations is where the line crosses, the point where the line crosses. Let me write that down. The solution to a system of linear equations is the point, which is an ordered pair, where the lines cross each other. So it's the point of intersection. Now that we got that all out of the way, let's do an example. Yes, I think so. Example 1. Is the point 7, 0 a solution to the following system? And then we have the system right here. Well, how do we do this? Is it a solution? Well, we have to check. This is our x value. This is our y value. So we have to check in both equations. To check a solution, you must substitute x and y in both equations. So that's what we're going to do here. Our y value, y is going to be 0, and x is going to be 7. So in the top equation, we have 0 equal, is that right? Yes. 0 equals 2 times 7 plus 15, and 0 equals 14 plus 15. 0 equals, what is that, 29? So this is not true. So we don't even have to check. I should have done one that was different. But here, it doesn't satisfy this first equation. So we already know that 7, 0 is not a solution. To be a solution, it must satisfy both equations. To be a solution, the ordered pair must satisfy both equations. Remember when we were talking about lines and checking solutions to a line? We would say, is this point on the line, on the following line? And you'd have to plug it in and see. Well, we're doing that again, all over again, except for we're asking, is the point on this line and on that line? So that's all we're doing. Nothing really new. Let's do one more example. Is the point 8, 8 a solution to the following system? So again, we got to check. We have an x that is 8 and a y that is 8. So we have to substitute those in. So for the first equation, I have, 8 equals 4 times 8, because that's what x is, minus 24. 4 times 8 is 32, minus 24. 32 minus 24 is 8. But we don't know. We still have to check the second equation. We have to check both. So for the second equation, we have 8 equals negative 5 times 8 plus 48. Well, negative 5 times 8 is negative 40 plus 48. This also works. That's positive. This is positive 8. So that also works. So let's answer the question. Is the point 8, 8 a solution to this following system? Our answer is yes. And there we go. That wasn't so bad. A lot of writing though. But that wasn't so bad.